This video is a part of our Understanding French Grammar series. In today's video, we are diving into some practical examples of using French direct object pronouns in everyday conversations. Hello, and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. In our last lesson, we covered what direct object pronouns are and how they work in French. Now, let's see how they come alive in daily situations. Let's recap what we learned in last video. Direct object pronouns in French.
Me, te, le, la, nous, vous, les.
Are key to making your sentences smoother and avoiding repetition. Let's start with some simple sentences. Remember, the direct object pronoun comes before the verb in French. I will give you the question, and then the answer will be using direct object pronoun. Do you see the red car?
Tu vois, la voiture rouge.
Yes, I see it.
Oui, je la vois.
Here
La,
replaces
la voiture rouge.
Let's move to the next example. Does he take his coffee with sugar?
Il prend son café avec du sucre.
Yes, he takes it with sugar.
Oui, il le prend avec du sucre.
Here
Le,
replaces
son café.
Next one is she finishing her homework?
Elle finit ses devoirs?
Yes, she finishes them.
Oui, elle les finit.
Here
Les,
replaces
ses devoirs.
Are you keeping my secret?
Vous gardez mon secret.
Yes, I'm keeping it.
Oui, je le garde.
Here
Le,
replaces
mon secret.
Look at the next example carefully. Are you waiting for me at the station?
Tu m'attends à la gare?
Yes, I'm waiting for you at the station.
Oui, je t'attends à la gare.
Here
Te,
replaces
me.
Are you eating the cake?
Tu manges le gâteau?
Yes, I'm eating it.
Oui, je le mange.
Here
Le,
replaces
le gâteau.
Are you watching the game tonight?
Vous regardez le match ce soir?
Yes, we're watching it.
Oui, nous le regardons.
Here
Le
replaces
le match.
Are you listening to this radio show?
Tu écoutes cette émission de radio?
Yes, I'm listening to it.
Oui, je l'écoute.
Here
Là,
replaces,
cette émission.
but remember to use the rule of contraction here. Are you sending the invitations?
Vous envoyez les invitations?
Yes, we're sending them.
Oui, nous les envoyons.
Here
Les
replaces,
les invitations.
next one. Are they cleaning the house this weekend?
Ils nettoient la maison ce week-end?
Yes, they are cleaning it.
Oui, ils la nettoient.
Here
La
replaces,
la maison.
see how these pronouns make your sentences more natural and less repetitive. It's all about practicing them in context, just like we did here. Now it's your turn. I am going to give you a few questions. Pause the video, think about your answers and see if you are able to get the correct response.
Tu achètes les fruits au marché?
In this example, the direct object is,
Les fruits.
which is plural noun. So, we will replace it with.
Les.
Hence, the correct answer is,
Oui, je les achète au marché.
let's try one more.
Il regarde la télé?
Your hint is to replace
La télé.
with its direct object pronoun.
Oui, il la regarde.
Good job. Keep practicing these structures, and you will find that using direct object pronouns becomes super easy. That's all for today. In coming video, we will learn how to use direct object pronoun in past and future tense. Till then, goodbye and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.